Hi everyone, I'm here to introduce you to Liquilink, a cross-chain portfolio lending and bridging protocol. Today's DeFi has three main issues. Liquidity is stuck on separated chains and you have to collateralize each one separately. And second, cross-chain actions are still messy. It's slow, costly, and you need a gas everywhere. And even when you borrow, it is just one token per collateral. Not great if you want to have a diverse portfolio. So we're trying to fix this with two ideas. First, portfolio lending. So you can use one asset as collateral and borrow multiple tokens at the same time, or you can just bridge the assets without repaid debt. And second, cross-chain one-to-many. You can stake on one chain and borrow across others in just one transaction. So imagine locking up one ETH on Sepolia and instantly borrowing USDT, Link, and BNB all at once across another chain. There's no extra steps, no extra gas juggling. And powering all this is Chainlink's infrastructure. Here's how it works. We first grab the ETH price on the source chain using Chainlink price feeds and calculate your collateral value in USDT. Then we send that value across the chain using CCIP. And on the destination chain, let's say BSC, we use Chainlink again to fetch the local price of the token you're trying to borrow, like BNB, and double check the LTV to make sure everything's safe and within limits. It is fast, accurate, and keeps everything in sync across chains. So CCIP handles secure cross-chain messaging with 5 message types. The loan request, repay request, bridge request, rejection, and liquidation. Each token on each chain has a separate funding pool. Lending, bridge, repay, and liquidation action are all operated through a link port by sending and receiving CCIP message. Link port is the both producer and consumer of CCIP's message. So and about the liquidations. So here, if your LTV ever gets too high, let's say like above the limit, we send a liquidation request through CCIP. But don't get worried, because we built it in a delay. So you have enough time to add more collateral or you repay your debt before anything happens. So there's no instant rug pulls here. So yeah, Liquilink isn't just another DeFi protocol. We are rethinking how lending should work in the multi-chain world. One collateral, multiple chains, way more possibilities. And next, I will demo the product to you. Okay, welcome to Liquilink. Before we begin, you can grab some test token from the faucet. This is the landing page where you can select the source chain and the assets to stake. Here we have additional collateral. If you already staked assets, they can be used as an extra collateral. Now let's choose the target chain and pick the assets you want to borrow. And here you can see how your assets are allocated. If you don't enter it in manually, the system will automatically calculate how much collateral you need. You can also use your existing stake assets to cover this amount. Let's click Submit and confirm the transaction in the MetaMask. And next, we have the bridge feature. Just like lending, you'll need to select the source and destination chains. And we can enter the assets you want to bridge here. But actually, this part, we still need to improve. The bridged amount should not exceed your wallet balance and the process should not be the same as the lending. Again, you can view your post-bridge assets allocation here. And let's click confirm and sign the transaction in MetaMask. And here in the bridge summary, you can see the details about the cross-chain operation. This is our liquidity pool. Just like most DeFi protocols, it is where users provide liquidity in exchange for rewards. Here, you can deposit or withdraw your liquidity at any time. Next is the portfolio page, where users can view their current positions. From here, you can navigate to the pools page. You can also view your recent loan. I won't repay it for now, just to keep for later testing. And you can also jump to the bridge page from here. Or you can check your current assets and your yields, your positions and your risk levels, and your historical activities. And finally, you'll see a complete record of all of your transactions within the protocol, along with the status. So alright, that's everything for now. Thanks for watching.